Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will going to solve one question from previous year question CSIR 2012. The question says here, let V1 V2 be subspace of a vector space V. Which of the following is or are necessarily a subspace of V? Option number A, V1 intersection with V2. Option number B, V1 union V2. Option number C, V1 sum with V2 equal to x plus y such that x belongs to V1, y belongs to V2. Option number D, V1 upon V2 equal to x belong to V1 and x does not belong to V2. This question here says that we need to identify the following options are necessarily a subspace. So in this given question, V1 and V2 are already subspace. So in option number A, V1 intersection V2, we know that if V1 intersection V2, 0 is belong to V1, 0 is belong to V2, since both of them are subspace because it is given here. It means that 0 is belong to both V1 intersection and V2. If U and the small v belong to V1 and V2 and A comma B belong to some field, then the linear combination of these vectors will belong to V1 and V2. It means this linear combination is again belong to V1 intersection V2, which satisfy the given first option. So option number 1 will be correct. Again, the option number B, we know that for option number B, we know that union of two vector space is a subspace. Union of two subspace. Subspace is again a vector space if and only if or provided one is contained in the other. It means V1 union V2 is valid if and only if or provided V1 is contained in V2 or V2 is contained in V1. So here there is no mention that V1 is contained in V1 or V2 is contained in V1. So option number B will be discarded. So option number C, V1 sum with V2 is given by x plus y, where x belong to the first subspace and y belong to the second subspace, which is the general definition of the sum of two vector space. We know the sum of two vector space is generally defined by first element from the first subspace and second element from the second subspace. So this is true. The last option number D, V1 upon V2. Here x is belong to V1 and x does not belong to V2. Let's say 0 is belong to V1. 0 should belong to V2 since V2 is given as subspace. If these both are true, then 0 divided by 0 is not defined. So this option is invalid. So this option will be discarded. So the final two options which are true are option number A and option number C. Thank you.